Greetings! Today I'm going to be showing you how you can move your Steam game from one storage device to the other. Let's get right into it. So firstly, click the Steam key when you're on the home page. After that, I want you to scroll down to the settings button, then click on A. After that, I want you to then scroll all the way down to the bottom to storage. After that, click the A button. Then you can select the storage device with the game you want to move. I'm going to pick my internal drive because it's got very little space left. After that, you can then use the arrow key or the joystick to go down and find the game that you want to move. I'm going to move Sonic Adventure. When you're on the game you want to move, click the Y button. Then you'll be presented with an option of where you want to move your content. On the Steam Deck, you'll probably only have one option. Then click on Move. Then you'll see your game slowly move to your other device. The time can vary depending on the size of the game and the speed of your other storage device. Once it's moved, you'll be told it moved successfully. Then you can click right on your joystick and close the menu. Then if we scroll all the way back up and change the storage device, we'll see that our game was successfully moved to our SD card. So thanks for watching this Steam Deck tutorial. I'll see you next time.